I'm so fortunate to be alive. 26 years ago, I had a very tragic and sad episode in my life that gave me a big disability. It changed my life completely by limiting my mobility. I lost the function of my ankles. I cannot play soccer the way I did. I cannot run the way that I did many long-distance races and marathon. You know, the sport of hand cycling is very special because hand cycle gives you a unique opportunity to get out and about on your own. You can do it with a group, of course. You can ride at your own pace. And it's not only for people with spinal cord injuries. We have people that have MS. We have people that have amputations. And a lot of these people, you know, when they have a disability, it's very easy for people just to stay inactive, just to stay at home and to watch TV, and they don't think that they can have an outlet for them to really enjoy the outdoors. Hand cycling is a perfect opportunity to really experience just going out and about. So in this occasion, we're very fortunate to have the sponsorship of Ascension. We are the Ascension Cycling Team this year round. We have gathered a good number of people that were going to participate in the Tour de Tucson with their sponsorship. We're able to get some equipment, especially the registrations of all the participants of the team. And we're going to wear a wonderful jersey that I look forward. This is going to be my fourth El Tour de Tucson. And I love it. You know, I'm 62 years old, and now that I have this new hand cycle, I will try to do my best in this El Tour, and who knows, maybe Boston Marathon or the New York Marathon sometime.
Eduardo is the kindest soul you've ever met. He has always enriched other people's lives before his own. He's a giver. I'm so happy he's on our Ascension Cycling Team, and I'm so happy he's on my team.
It's a fortune to have a second chance in life, and you won't believe how appreciative I am to have this opportunity to just enjoy life and share it with others, the passion of hand cycling.